Hello, my name is Afonso Moreira. I work as a machine learning research engineer at the Portuguese Markets Commission. I help in the research and the development of subtech tools. And first, before I enter into the topic, just a quick institutional disclaimer. This content reflects my opinions or visions about this subject and not necessarily the ones from the Portuguese Markets Commission. The topic that I'd like to talk today is about manipulating big amounts of data. We live in an exciting time in which we search for the best and brightest machine learning model to help us in a bunch of different necessities. But the point we don't talk about is how we train those models and what is needed before we entered into training. The manipulation of large amounts of data from the results we get from different tools like chats and that sort of models, it requires billions of rows of data and matrices. And so it's imperative that we get the efficient tools to manipulate that data. This helps us in two ways. First, we can ensure that the clean and polished data goes into the training of the model, avoiding problems afterwards, which are very difficult to find. And second, because in building a subtech tool, we do not necessarily need to use machine learning. Maybe there's nothing to learn. It's about taking the information from millions and millions of rows and get a result that would take a lot of time to do it with other tools. And it's just matching of conditions. So in taking up these techniques like efficient manipulation of certain databases like Hadoop, PySpark, and others, it will help you build tools that solve problems quickly. It will get you quick wins, and you don't need to enter into the depth of machine learning training. But if you fulfill this step, it's going to be much easier than if you want to train a proper machine learning model than we would do it if you just don't take this step before. So in conclusion, the first step towards anything that you want to achieve in terms of machine learning, in building a supervision tool that does the learning for you and can in fact make proper inference that we are looking for, the first step is indeed know how to manipulate efficiently large amounts of data.